Welcome to the Animal Quiz. We're diving into the Tier List Animals edition. Let's discover where you place some of the world's most popular animals. But before we start, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's play. Firstly, how do you rank dogs? Place the panda in your ranking. And what's your take on cats? Where do they stand? Place the fox in your ranking. Would a parrot rank high or low for you? Moving on to the king of the jungle, the lion. Where does it belong in your list? How about the majestic tiger? What's its rank? Rank the kangaroo. Now evaluate the dolphin's rank. Where does the adorable penguin fit in? How about a pony? Share your rank for the gorilla. What's your rank for the rabbit? Where do wolves rank for you? Now, assess the rank of the polar bear. Shift your focus to the horse. What's its rank? Do koalas land high or low on your list? Where would you place the raccoon? Next, rate the skunk's rank. Evaluate the hedgehog's rank. What's your impression of the giraffe's rank? Give us your ranking for the sloth. How about the fascinating axolotl? Time to rank an eagle. And what about a duck? Where does the elephant rank? Now consider the zebra's rank. Next, evaluate the speed of the cheetah in your ranking. Share your ranking for the chimpanzee. Moving on, how do you rank the crocodile? Rank the powerful rhinoceros. Assess the rank of the ostrich. Where does the delicate seahorse belong? And what's your perception of the enigmatic jellyfish's rank? Time for the armored armadillo. Rank the playful otter. Now, where does the meerkat rank? How would you rate the lemur? Next up, we have the walrus. Share your rank for the unique tapir. Evaluate the rank of the elegant flamingo. Where does the charming alpaca land on your list? Is the snail high or low on your list? Rank the intriguing tarantula. Is the pangolin higher or lower on your list? Where would you rank a wombat? How about a mantis? Now, rank the vulture. Give the antelope a fitting rank. Where does the vibrant peacock rank for you? Please share your thoughts in the comments about which animals ranked highest and lowest for you. Your choices are greatly appreciated. Thank you for playing.